Hello everyone, welcome back to the latest channel. In this video I'm going to show in detail about MegaETH Testnet. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm just copy the Faucet link, and I always try to interact with my MetaMask wallet because the testnet are working smoothly by the MetaMask, and we have to enter our wallet address. So I just copy the address and go back to the Faucet address again, and here you can see we have to enter our address, then click on get testnet ETH, and it is successful. And then go back to again the Telegram channel, and you can see another link of claiming Faucet, and then I create a new tab and paste the link again. Here you can see the page is not found, as testnet sometimes may have problems, so it's nothing to worry, just carry on the next one. So here also we have to enter our address, and it's by default selected, and then click on I accept, and we have to confirm in our wallet also. And here you can see I have mint 1000 USD, and next one is Teko.finance, and again I just copy and paste the link here, and my wallet address is already connected. Then click on mint and click on confirm. It may take some time to confirm, so I just skip and going to show the next one. In this page we can mint two types of USDC, like TK-USDC and cUSD. So you should mint these two types of USD. Here you can see the next one, and I think it will be smoothly working on your device. I previously mint, but at this point it is loading. So go back to the again Telegram channel, and here you can see the several websites to interact with MegaETH Testnet, and I just copy the link and paste here. And here you can see, first of all we have to connect our wallet, and then we have to choose the MegaETH, and then connect with MetaMask, and then click on create a coin and enter our name you want to give. I just enter in a meme Landy and choose any ticker you want to give that token. I give it MLD and write down a description. Then we have to choose a logo, so you can choose any photos from your gallery, and here you can see Twitter, Telegram and website are optional, so you skip this and then click on continue. And in the next page we should not change anything, and click on pay and go. And then confirm in wallet. It takes some time to complete, and as it is a testnet, there may have some problems, so nothing to worry, you should carry on. And actually I previously completed everything very smooth way, and sometimes I think there may have some problems, so you should carry on. and I just copy the next website link and again paste here. And it's loading. As previous experienced, I have seen that testnet gives us lots of profit like $1,000 and even more. So don't miss testnet Airdrop, and you may face several problems, so don't miss out. And in this episode we will log in with our MetaMask wallet, and we have to sign in with the wallet again. And here you can see we can convert love tokens, and here you can see we can get 2,500 love tokens by joining, and here you can see I get 2,500 love tokens. So as it is a testnet, we should interact with as many platforms as possible. And to get the airdrop eligibility, we should interact more than one days. We should regularly interact with this type of task. Actually, these tasks are not so much complicated. You just follow our Telegram channel, and there you can get the link and just interact one by one. And here you can see we have to choose the and then here you can see a profile, and I just again connect with my wallet. So it's type a social media profile here. You can see following follower, and I just copy the next one, rainmakr. Again paste in my MetaMask. Actually, I use MetaMask for smooth work, because if I try to work with any browser, there may have some problem of connection issue. That's why I always try to join any testnet with MetaMask browsers. And here you can see my wallet is connected to this website, and it is also like a create token or launch a token, and you also can buy several tokens from this platform. So don't miss out. Try to interact and try to buy various types of tokens from this. And here you can see buy and sell. And here you can see I have 3,001 ETS, so I have to enter more than this. Actually, the main problem in the any testnet may have this the Faucet issue. So you should try to claim Faucet in every day, because most of the Faucet websites gives us Faucet after every 24 hours. And here you can see I option start a new token. So you should also try to start a new token and put the name, and then again we have to give the triggers and description like previous meme.1. and write down a description shortly. And then choose an icon. And here you can write down the website link, Twitter link, but it's optional. Then we have to connect our Twitter account. And give your Twitter accounts permission to this. Actually it's showing some problem right now, but previously I created and I started a new token through this website, so you should try. Actually it has been showing a problem with my Twitter account, so you should not skip this task. Moreover, I have shared several testnet tasks on my Telegram channel, so you should complete all the tasks given in our Telegram channel to get huge amount of profit in 2025. And actually there have several ongoing testnets, and these are funding lots of amount like 300 million, 200 million. And hope this type of projects give us lots of profit. And I just copied another link from Telegram channel and paste here to interact. And here you can see we have to sign in, and so I sign in with my wallet. And then click on sign in with Ethereum and connect your wallet. Then click on confirm. Then we have to put an email address here to continue. Actually it's type of a website we may arrange any campaign like or anything like any schedule set up for any campaign or any meeting. So just click on confirm again and verify with the email verification code. So I just enter the verification code here and click on next. And here you can see it's connected, and here we can create an event. So just click on plus sign here and create a new event. So we have to write a title for the event. So write any name here, and I write the event name MegaETH Summit, and we can choose the start and ending time of the event. and we also can choose a location and virtual link here, and you can also scheme some option, and here I have an option like description and approval record and several things. I just write down and fill up the basic and fundamental things here, and then here you can see we can set a ticket or fee also, and I set up it as a free, and we put a total tickets number also here, and I enter a number like 100 and save the changes, and after save the changes go back to the next, click on agree, and then we can publish the event, and here you can see the event has been published, so you can share also on social media this event link, and then I'm again go back to the Telegram channel, and here you can see I have completed all the tasks here given. So to complete this all tasks, follow all the link and given in our Telegram channel and follow this video step by step, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our all social handle to get the upcoming airdrop. Thank you everyone.